Alright, today I'm going to go over some things on my 1996 Honda Accord that pissed me the fuck off. Number one, right here we have, when I hit the deer I didn't replace the fender, so we have this, and then the headlight doesn't line up at all. And then on this side, there's just this flap here, because when I hit the deer, it pushed things and it didn't really work. Right here, I have never figured out with the hood. So this is just rubbing every single time it rains. And then over here, this rubs here. So yeah. These piss me off because I tried to put like the trim protection on them, and within a few days, it's back to being like gray. And they're bitch to keep black. This one is kind of holding up, but these don't like to stay black. Right here we have this like dent, and I think it's from a hailstorm, but I'm not really sure at all actually, because it just showed up randomly. Right here on this wheel we got a fuck ton of curb. I bought them with these on there, but there's a ton of this. I don't know what the guy did, but he curbed the fuck out of this rim. And probably the last thing is right here, because this is just lacquer paint, this sap does not come off. I have tried everything and it will not come off. And because I know like for windows and clear coated paint you can use lacquer thinner, but because this is lacquer paint I can't use lacquer thinner.